Hi class, this is Mike Doan and this is my week 8 multimedia presentation and final video. 5 things that I learned or maybe that were enhanced upon throughout the duration of this course. One was social media. I'm not a big social media person. In doing this course I learned the importance of social media, not only monitoring your social media, but having a social media presence. I've never had a social media presence. I've never been on Instagram, MySpace, Facebook, all those things. MySpace probably gives you a good idea of how old I am. But in taking this course and understanding more about our social media presence, I understand the value of having some of these networking sites like LinkedIn that can connect you with prospective employers and people in your related industry. The second thing that I learned that was important is all these tricks of the trades, the leveling the camera, the lighting conditions, all that stuff that helps us in our video presentation when we're going to be doing these online interviews that have to do with our professional presentation. And that leads me to my third thing, is the acknowledgement that we are beginning to shift and see more of an increase of this type of technology, that it's just a sign of the times that this is where we're headed to. So for me to be able to learn how to do it and to embrace it, because this is the direction that we're heading to. Third thing I learned is that in taking this course, I really had a newfound respect for what I do and an appreciation for my position and what I do. Which leads me to my fifth thing. Throughout the duration of this course, we're kind of asked to look outside the box and to consider dream jobs and all that. And in doing that, every time I would research something else, it really strengthened my feeling that I really love what I do, and if given the opportunity, I wouldn't have selected anything else to do, and I definitely don't have the desire to change career paths. So that was one of the most surprising things that I learned, is that even when given this big realm of things to look at, I really like what I do and I don't want to be doing anything else. So I was really glad to learn that, and that was something that was really important that I learned throughout this process. And in watching the video, if there was someone that, if I was going to give them guidance on finding their purpose in life, I really liked a lot of the concepts that were in the video. One being to walk by faith and not by sight. And that God's not going to give us the blueprint. We have to have faith in God and trust in His plan for our lives. And if we give it to God, it's going to be okay. And the purpose and our purpose will soon be revealed. But just to enjoy the process and trust the process and not be so worried about what the blueprint looks like. It's in God's hands and it's going to be okay. In closing, I had the opportunity to meet and engage with you guys on this platform, and I really enjoyed that. And I look forward to hopefully meeting some of you guys in person at our upcoming graduation here pretty soon. Thanks for watching this video, and I enjoyed the process with you guys. Best of luck.